There's a lot of hype going around right now about creating your book, whether that's using AI to help you write it or to write it all for you, or doing a launch party where you sell lots of copies, or making seven figures by selling it online. Okay, it's just a lot of hype to get you to opt into their programs. What I want you to do is create a profitable book, become a profitable author. And it's a longer road than most really want to consider, even though it only takes less than 24 hours of your time when you do it properly. You see, when I created my book on marketing back in 2013, it changed my business because it changed how my audience thought of me. And when you look at creating a book, it's not about having a book as much as it is understanding how to use your book in your marketing to grow your business, to connect with your audience, to convert them, to become on your list so you can nurture them and market to them and build a relationship with them so you'll build trust with them and they'll do business with you when they're ready. Okay, a book is a great tool to leverage your marketing and to gain you an audience with those hard to reach prospects. It sets you apart because when you're an Amazon bestselling author, it will capture the attention of your audience. But if that's all you are and you don't know how to use your book in your marketing, how to use it to get leads people who are on your website, how do you get them to opt in to get on your list? Offer them a free copy of your book. How do you get referrals from happy clients? Give them a few copies of your book to hand out to their friends. How do you get referral sources sending their clients to you who are pre-qualified to work with you, preconditioned to work with you? You use your book. How do you create social media content, email marketing? You use the content in your book. These are the ways that you become a profitable author. So writing your book and having a book is great. It's phenomenal. But knowing how to use your book to grow your business, to gain clients, to get referrals, that's where you become a profitable author. That's what we focus on with our clients. Yes, we help you create a book without writing a word. We get it done in under 24 clock hours of your time, and we guarantee that you will double your investment in our program in 2 years, or I give you all your money back because I have the systems in place that I will give you, teach you, and help you install in your business. Those systems will get you new clients. They will precondition prospects. They will help you convert more website leads. They will help teach you how to market successfully over time so that you will become what we call a profitable author. So if you're just looking to create a book really fast, then go find one of those other people and do the AI thing. But if you're looking to really grow your business long term and you want to be a profitable author, send me a direct message. DM me. Let's start a conversation here and see if we're a good fit to have a conversation and to see how we can make you a profitable author.